Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Maria Christine Pileo. You can call me Tin for short. I am 29 years old with live-in partner. I'm blessed with one kid, age 7 years old. My weight is 49 kilogram and my height is 152 centimeter. I am a high school graduate. I have work experience in the Philippines for 5 years. I can take care of baby, kids, pets, cleaning, ironing, and cooking Filipino foods. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, and I can follow the recipe giving my employer. Ma'am and sir, please hire me as a helper. I'm kind, honest, and easy to follow the instruction. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Have a nice day.